Introducing the 4K 6444 AV over IP solution on a 1G network. Here are the key features. A comprehensive overview of full KVM functions. Instantly connect any display to a remote source. One keyboard and mouse lets you control any source by moving the cursor. Easily switch sources with hotkeys and control them remotely using keyboard and mouse. Push monitored video to teammates for seamless collaboration. Get video from other screens for quicker response. Flexible deployment. Centralized management. Built to adapt to every scenario. Visit www.cypress.com.tw to learn more.